Hello folks, welcome back to the channel Rides with Richie. I hope you are safe and well today. My name is Richie and I make content about motorcycles, motorcycle travel, accessories and maintenance. Today I'm going to talk you through my new vlogging setup with the DJI Osmo Action 4 and the adapter which connects the microphone to the DJI Osmo Action 4. DJI released this adapter a few days back, I believe. I'm not sure when it was released. When I was on the website to buy the accessories of the DJI Osmo Action 4, I saw it and I ordered it in. It seems to be a pretty good piece of kit because it connects right onto the camera on the side. You have to take the door where the USB-C cable gets connected. If you remember, in the first version of the DJI Osmo Action, they had a pretty similar setup where a Sinova adapter was getting connected. You can see a DJI Osmo Action 3 recording me over here. The only reason why I bought the DJI Osmo Action 4 is not because of the picture quality. Picture quality is perfect. It is because of the audio gain levels. On the DJI Osmo Action 4, very wisely DJI introduced gain control for audio input on the camera itself. So right now I'm recording this audio or this video in -20 gain level. I hope this is coming out clear. I'm not sure now. I have tried a couple of different microphones. They were sounding all right, not great. So finally I'm testing this one over here. I tried with this particular microphone on -13 and it was peaking out a little bit. Right now on -20, I hope the sound is quite clear. The audio is good on this camera, but the video is exceptionally good. This particular camera, the Osmo Action 4, has a bigger sensor than the Osmo Action 3. Hence, the performance of the video is really good. It's been only 1 week that I've bought this camera, and I'm trying to do some experiments with it. I don't have any ND filters attached to either of the cameras. I need to invest in them very soon. But for now, I'm running the settings on auto settings. Today, I'm riding my Interceptor 650. The Super Tenere is in the garage because I have busted both of the fork seals on the bike, so it has to go in to get repaired. Till then, I have to rely on my beautiful Interceptor. I love this bike to go to work and back. It's so convenient and it's a joy to ride. But the only thing I don't like about this bike is the wind protection. It has got absolutely zero wind protection, and in colder days it makes you feel a little bit that cold, you know. On the Super Tenere there's a big fairing in the front, big windshield. It helps a lot. In case if you're not subscribed to the channel, folks, I would highly recommend you to do so. I make content like this which is useful or which might be useful for you in the near future. And you can check out my Instagram. You can get in touch with me over there as well. The Instagram is Rides with Richie as well. Yeah, so that's that.
So there we go. We are at home, and I'll show you my camera setup over here. So this is the DJI Osmo Action 4, which I ordered recently. I got the Adventure combo. It comes with these 3 batteries. There's 1 battery in there and there are 2 more batteries over here. The best thing about this is it shows you the indicator of how much the battery is. If it is green, that means it's full. Yellow is half empty. Red means you need to recharge the battery. And then it comes with this nice long selfie stick as well. It opens a long way. I don't know if it is 1 meter or something like that. So, oh yeah, and then there is this cage. The best thing about this is when you add this cage, you can mount the camera vertically because there are these clips over here. This is the clip on DJI Osmo Action 3 and 4. So I'll keep it over here and I'll show you exactly how the camera attaches. It's magnetically, if you've seen that, how it's got pulled towards the camera, that's how it works. So, and then to release it, you just press the 2 clips in the bottom and then you release the camera. On DJI Osmo Action 3 as well as on Action 4, basically it's the same setup. This is the 3, this is the 4. There is this door over here which you can open. So I'll try to open it with one hand. Let me see. And then you just push the door towards the top, and then boom, it comes out. So that's the door. And now to connect the mic, there is only a USB-C connection over here. That's where this particular adapter comes into picture. I don't remember how much did it cost. I think it was around 35 euros. I'm not sure now. If you don't want to buy this, all you can buy is this particular cable. I bought it from Amazon, from Ugreen. So it clips in over here, and there you go. And you can connect your microphone over here. That's one thing. And the second option is you connect this one. This goes only one way, where the door sticks in place. So this one goes in there, and then this clamps onto the camera itself. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. I hope I don't break it. Yeah, I've done it. Oh yeah, there you go. Now it's sealed in place. And then you can connect the what do you call it as, the converter. So on the helmet, oh, this is, by the way, this is my HJC Alpha 70. I love this helmet. So I'll show you the microphone over here. This has a TRRS, so that means tip, ring, and sleeve. Whereas this connector has TRS, so that is tip, ring, and sleeve. So that's the difference. So you have to connect it to the TRS connector, and then it gets connected to the adapter on the Action camera. So if you can see over here on the inside, that is the microphone on which I have attached the dead cat, and I have run the microphone through the inside. If you can see, there is cable at the back. That's the microphone cable. So I've connected from here. I've cut a small cutout over here on this side, if I may show you, over here, and I've brought it out. And then when I'm not using the microphone, what I do is I just take this thing out, leave it over here, and on here, over here, there is this small pouch kind of a thing. So I just plug this. Can you see it now? Yeah, I just plug this into this one over here, just like so, so that it stays in there and it's not in my way at all. So that's how it is connected. And to connect the Osmo Action camera, I have this part is given to me by one of my friends. It is a GoPro accessory. So it goes so like this. Okay, let me bring the helmet over here. I'll show you. So this gets connected. Oh god, it's so difficult to do it with one hand. There you go. It gets connected like this. So I have this shoestring over here. You may be laughing, why do I have this? Don't I trust the glue of the helmet mount? To be honest, I don't. So what I do over here is I just run the chin strap through this loop over here, and then I connect it on the other side, so that if something happens, I won't lose the camera. And where is my camera now? Okay, so I put the camera on like this, and it stays in place, and then take the adapter, connect it over here, and then this goes in here. That's that, all set. It looks pretty neat. If you want, you can get the connector with the L shape over here, so that the wire does not stick out so much. So now I have the camera out. So I'm going to connect the camera over here, and then I'll show you something. This is the difference between DJI Osmo Action 3 and 4. I'll switch it on there. So if I go into the menu here, if I'm here now, if I take this out and connect it again, it gives me the gain control over here. This is what I was talking to you about. So what you can do is you can click on this and you can change the gain control. Whereas the DJI Osmo Action 3 did not have this. I recorded this video in -20 since I can edit the audio in post-production. So that's that. So all that goes over here and we are good to go. Look at that.
I have a couple of trips planned out. I might go to Europe this year, maybe France or Spain. So, and I'm just getting this setup ready and learning the setup just so that I have a flawless system to work with. I could have bought the DJI mic, but then I can't justify the cost. It's 359 euros, which is way too much. I can't do that. Lavalier mics was the best thing to go with. That's the reason I'm using the lavalier mics. The Rode Lavalier Go, I think I bought 3 or 4 years back. It was lying somewhere in the drawer and I found it, so I thought might as well use it. So guys, that's it for today. I'll sign off now. I hope you have enjoyed this ride with me, and in case if you are not subscribed as yet, please do subscribe and leave me a like or leave me a comment if you want to know something more. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.